Understanding the resin timeline is everything. Get the timing right and your surfaces will stay consistently perfect. No more hanging around wondering, is it done yet? Timing controls everything from self-leveling to final strength. First, you have pot life. This is your working window. With Craft Resin Tabletop, you have about 40 minutes at 72 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. A warmer room or a bigger mix will shrink this window fast. If you pour too late, the resin gets too thick to level. Next is the hard cure. The surface feels hard, but the chemistry is still moving inside. Touching it too early leaves permanent fingerprints. And finally, you have the full cure. This is when the resin reaches its maximum stability. Using a piece before this stage leads to dents or warping. The secret here is patience. Wait 36 hours for a hard cure at the correct temperature. At this point, the surface is touchable and ready for the next steps. After 48 hours, you'll hit full cure. Now your piece is ready for normal use. But remember, maximum heat resistance up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit takes 21 days to fully develop. Keep your piece in a stable environment during this entire window. And don't rush to sand or move your piece too early. Let the chemistry finish its job. The resin is cooking and let it cook. Aim for a 40-minute pour, a 36-hour curing time and 21 days for total heat protection. When you stop rushing, your surfaces stay flawless. If timing has ever tripped you up, save this for later and share it with a friend who also struggles with the early touch habit. Tell me in the comments, have you ever ruined a piece by moving it too soon? Let's compare our patient stories.